My name is Gabe Peterson. I'm with Midwest Peterbilt Group. I'm the Tico sales representative here at our dealership, and we're here today to talk about the 2025 Tico Pro Spotter. You might ask yourself, why does it look different from its competitors? Well, that's because it's designed by operators and service technicians for easy serviceability and easy access. At the front of our unit, we have our cab, which is fiberglass reinforced, which is different from our competitors, which is usually steel. We have easily accessible ground panels for serviceability. On our left, we have our HVAC components. On our right, we have our electrical and ECM components. Another outlook of this cab is that it's an inset cab. It also has a fully galvanized floor for corrosion resistance. And you will also notice the inset. This is standard on our machines. This is an option on our competitors' machines. This allows for any collision or impact for this cab to be able to sustain that impact without any damage. Another standard option on the Tico is our 7-inch offset bumper, heavy duty. This is standard on all of our machines that allows for front impact to have no bearing on the cab or any of the engine components behind it. One of the high points of the Tico Pro Spotter is that it has a practical cab finish. What that means, it's not an automotive finish. It doesn't have any fiberglass or steel panels in the way for serviceability or any access to any parts that we want to have. Another big difference with our competitors is we have an exterior hour meter. So when you are doing a pre-op inspection, the inspector has easy access to the hours, also the technician. Second here on the cab is our Tico Edge QR code. This allows any service technician or customer to be able to easily access with their phone any service accounts, any warranty information that might have on this, and that will directly link you to the Tico Edge Uptime Center. Standard on the Tico Pro Spotter is our 65-gallon step tank, which is easy steppable when we access the machine. Next is our fully one-of-a-kind in the industry, fully welded frame, continuously welded, 100% American-made steel. The other thing that makes us different from our competitors is our 1.5-inch side boom on our fifth wheel. This particular Pro Spotter has an option, an add-on option, which is our full over-tire fender that has front and rear mud flaps. And if you move into our fifth wheel, we have a fully boxed boom, standard 5-inch lift cylinders, and then we also have one of the lowest pickup points in the industry. This DOT model Pro Spotter has a horizontal mount after cleaner system that allows for easy serviceability. Standard on all Ticos comes with our side-mounted hydraulic tank with an inset sight glass that makes for easy pre-op inspection. That also allows for no damage on the outside for the glass to be harmed. Standard on a Tico is also our galvanized battery box. And then if you move up here, our pre-cleaner and filter is mounted for easy technician access. It is also not mounted underneath of the truck as our competitors are, so it allows for cleaner air. And if you move to the side of the truck, the number one impact point on a Pro Spotter is the right side, the passenger side. Ours is a replaceable galvanized fender. That if there is impact and we don't like the side of that, it's 5 bolts, it comes off and we can put a new one on. Our radiator overflow with sight glass here for easy pre-op inspection. We also have our air dryer, front mounted, easy access for serviceability. And then the other highlight of our Pro Spotter is our modular headlights. These are snowplow headlights. So an easy replaceable if something happens, bolt on, bolt off application. To access the engine compartment, all we have to do is raise the cab is to pull our safety lever. All of our fluid checks are easily accessible from ground level for pre-op inspection. And then one of the things that Tico boasts mostly is our most ergonomic cab entry system. So we always have 3 points of contact with one of the heaviest duty bars in the industry, a deep step, and easily up into the cab. Standard on the Tico Pro Spotter is our full cab height and width protection bar, which is ROPS and FOPS compliant. It also boasts trailer stops here at the bottom in case of an operator accidentally missing the kingpin. We also have options for overhead safety lights on both sides, and also standard on our Pro Spotter is our breakaway glad hands that do not break away from the trailer and smash into the cab. They will break down and away in a safer operation. Standard on the Pro Spotter is our 15-foot rubber air hoses, not plastic coils. One thing that the Pro Spotter does boast is this catch plate, so operators do not catch their toe as they're entering the cab. And the biggest difference that you'll notice between us and our competitors is the air-operated bus doors. This operation allows for less wear than the steel doors and easier serviceability and less maintenance. Standard on the Tico Pro Spotter is a power driver side window. We also have a standard tilt steering wheel. We also boast the only all-steel dash in the industry, an electronic joystick control, not a cable drive as some of our competitors have, so nothing's getting pulled or pushed. And then all of our valves and all of our options are right here on a hinged service panel. So a service technician can easily unbolt 3 bolts, take this out, and easily access the valves. Standard on the Pro Spotter is also an auxiliary port for any additions that the customer would like to make regarding computers or any accessibility, radios, etc. Another big option that's different between us and our competitors is all of our glass is roped in. So it's easily knocked out in case of emergency. It is also easy replaceable if cracked. You don't have to order a special part or wait for glue to dry. It's just a replace one-day option. Tico Pro Spotters are valued by operators and service technicians for their operability and their serviceability. If you could employ a Tico in your fleet, please contact us at Midwest Peterbilt Group. We love to offer our purchase, lease, or rental services to your corporation or your business, and please look us up online at pbtruck.com.